Okay.
What? Did we use the t-distribution output already?
We have not.
I haven't.
They use it in the examples in the class at the end.
I mean, they give us a link to it, kind of like we've already used it before, and sounds great. I'm happy to use it. We'll figure that out, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe I was supposed to use it for the other assignments. I didn't know. Okay, question 3. Are we all ready?
Yes.
Ready.
In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation sigma was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed?
It's unknown.
Hmm?
It's unknown.
It's unknown.
What? Could be a trick question. I don't know about this. Okay. For the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be mu equals 8, and the alternative is that mu is greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation sigma is known.
Is not known.
What's that?
Is not known.
Oh, it is not known. Becca collects a sample of size 9 and computes x bar 11. And the, what do you call this S? A point statistic?
I don't know.
I don't know. The S to be 6. Is sigma known?
No.
This is a trick question. What is the value of t? Okay, cool little equation where we say t equals x bar minus mu all over s divided by the square root of n.
Yeah, just like the z-score, except not.
And there you go. Bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you. Okay, so it's going to be 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by the square root of 9. Ah!
About 1.5.
Okay, 1.5. Hey, buddy.
1.500.
Hey, where's your binky? There it is.
Oh.
So
the next question is super long. Well, long. Have a lot of numbers. Use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy paste into your software and use a null hypothesis. And
Can you guys copy and paste?
I can't.
I can't either. I've got to type them. So give me a.
That's so convenience for us, huh?
This sucks. Can you copy and paste, Evelyn?
No, they don't allow us to do that in this exam. And we need to use that quantity. No, the applet thing.
Okay,
Actually,
Oh,
for this
I
one,
got
it'll
an
be the quantitative inference procedures.
Wait.
right.
Body temp.
I
Body-
know, but this is only a portion of the numbers. The body temp numbers,
Oh.
I think there's a lot more of them. Well, let me look. I think I have it open still from last night. Yeah, I do. Hold on.
It's the same numbers?
No, see, there's a lot more. There's like 149 numbers. So they're from there, but this is a lot fewer. So I'm going to have to type them in.
All right. I think if we put them side by side, not too bad.
Do we need to use the quantity thingy?
Yeah, the quantitative inference.
Yeah.
This is great. This is where like the fix and growth mindset comes out, right?
Something like that.
So, but we need, is that the quantity interference procedure or the descriptive stat?
The quantity inference procedures.
That's what I thought. Yeah.
I guess they're figuring since it does everything else for us, we have to at least do this. Okay.
They should have a, you know how on Apple Watches they have rings for like, to like your goal.
And convert to the text. That app.
Okay.
I just keep doing the same thing.
Okay, so I got 98.2.
Yes. Oh, round to 3 decimal places.
98.2.
2, right?
Yeah, unless you want to put 98.200.
No, I've got 98.22.
Oh, okay.
Well,
So
I typed one in wrong.
and we've got the null hypothesis in at 98.6. Oh, hold on. Let me double check. We're looking at less than. I didn't change that yet.
The null hypothesis was
98.6. And the confidence level's 95.
great.
So let's check the numbers.
You saying, oh yeah, now I understand.
So what is S?
Hold on, did we get that other one fixed though? Because we've got different answers.
I was gonna trust yours. Okay, I'll show. Okay, maybe we'll read them out loud.
It's because we need to check every single number. You miss one, or you just. Oh.
Okay, I just checked mine. So I got the numbers incorrectly. I've got the confidence level at 95. I've got the null hypothesis at 98.6. I mean, the quickest way is to type all these into a calculator and divide by 23, but, or even less than that. There's not even that many. But, or 20. There's 20 of them.
So question 6, right? Question 6.
So,
90. Oh, question.
Yeah, question 6. I've got 98.22.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah. And then I got the same thing as Juan, but then I figured there was one of the numbers in that I type it and copy was wrong, and then I check it again. Yeah, this.
So did
And
you?
numbers, yeah, 98.22, yeah.
Okay.
So
And you know
now,
what? For the fun of it, I'm going to put it in the other one to get the mean, just to make sure. Come on.
wait, now I got 98248.
Mhm.
Okay, mine is just messed up. Never mind me.
Well, hold on. I'm going to do one more check, just to double check. I've got 98.22. I went into the quantitative descriptive statistics one with the histogram, and it also said 98.22.
Yeah.
So let's go with that.
Okay.
What is S? Oh, my computer is slow. Come on.
Well, you might need to do the same thing as Juan did.
Well, I mean, it's like all of a sudden it wants to take its time going between Excel spreadsheets. It's like,
But Excel and Microsoft, they will slow down your computer big time. Let me tell you.
okay, so S would be 0.922.
There you go. Yes. Sorry, I
Where
keep
did you get S?
moving.
So the S is instead of the standard deviation. It's instead of sigma. So I looked at under standard deviation on this chart, and it's 0.922.
So where it says standard deviation, I take that number.
Yes.
And you got 0.922.
Yeah.
Standard deviation. Oh, there you go. That's what you were looking at. Sorry, I keep telling you that my computer keep doing this.
And then you guys got a negative 1 point. The t-score.
What? I think you cut out there. What'd you say?
The t-score is negative 1.801.
I've got negative 1.843.
Yeah, but
Yeah, I'll have to go with your p-value. Is that okay, Christina?
Sure.
What
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty confident that I double checked, so I think the numbers are in there right. So p-value point
Okay.
how many decimals? 3. 0.040. So 0.04. 0.04. Is that what you got, Evelyn?
I am trying to catch up because I told you this lesson I couldn't go through that, and I was trying to use the formula. Still no.
Wait, which question are you on, Evelyn?
I was in question 8, but I don't know if it 8 minus 1.84.
3.
4.3.
Yeah, 4.3. Sorry, sorry guys. Yeah, and then the p-value and
0.04.
0.04. Yeah, 0.0. There we go. Sorry.
Okay, so one thing that I guess one rule of thumb when it comes to rejecting or accepting the hypothesis is if it's low, reject the null. So I just say that in my head all the time. If it's low, reject the null.
You know what, real quick. One of these is based on a two-tail. That might be the p-value. And this is a one-tailed, right?
Sorry, Christina. The only thing that would change is if we say not equal to. When we have a two-tailed test, we would just say not equal to if it's two tails. But since the alternative hypothesis says that it's less than, we just change it to less than on the little drop down
Right. I just remembered that. Come on. Let's see if it changes it. Yeah.
So,
Okay, good. On the video, I think he said that it'll always show a two-tailed. Oh, maybe that was the SPSS or whatever. Never mind. That was the different one. Okay.
so is the first one or the second one? First one. Question 10 is failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Well, it's low because we got a 0.4, right?
0.04.
Yeah, if it's low, reject the null.
Yeah, so we have to reject the null.
Okay.
Because if we would have gotten a number that's higher than 0.05, like say we got like a 0.14, then yeah, there we would fail to reject the null.
Yeah, because it's one that.
Yeah, but since we got less than it, then we. I don't know. How would you say that? Because it has to do with the alternative now. So we would say we have insufficient evidence.
No, we have sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean is greater than 8.
Oh, right. We have sufficient evidence. That's right, because it has to do with the alternative now.
Right.
Okay.
So the next one is very long again, and we will probably have to type this as well.
Let me look at. I've got that baby boom thing open. Let me see how many. 45 values.
Use the following values which were pulled from the data baby boom JSE. For the next 6 questions, these values are wait time in minutes between the births of the hospital. Copy paste into the SPSS. The hospital claims that the average time between births is 40 minutes and plan its resource allocation based on this claim. You want to test the claim, select U equal 40, U non-equal 40 with a level of significant of 0.01. Okay, just let's type this again.
Actually, hold on, give me 1 second. I think they're just using the first chunk of values. So if you open up that baby boom, I'm going to compare them, but I think that's what they're doing. And so then you can just copy and paste.
Okay.
29, 14, 37, 62. Yeah, it looks like it's just, if you go from 59 to 61 on that, then you can copy and paste. That's what I did. And I'm checking them, and it looks good so far.
And then you have to change the type of test to not equal to. This is a two-tailed test.
Okay. So yeah, grab the first 21 values out of that Excel spreadsheet and you can copy them over. Woohoo! Okay, not equal to. And 40. You know what, give me, I've got to grab my charger.
Did Megan answer you?
No.
Oh,
I think she has her. I remember when we were setting up the time, her schedule. I think she got off when we scheduled it, so maybe if she has to work late, she runs into problems. Okay. Okay. Repeat. So were you guys able to copy and paste those?
Yeah.
So what do you have for your p-value?
I got 0.
I didn't. I got 0.995.
Wait.
So the null is 40, not equal to, and the level of significance, the confidence level is 99. Let me make sure.
Okay, never mind. I got 0.502. Still wrong?
Value?
What
I
did
mean,
you
it's
get?
for mine. I don't know if I got 0.995.
Yeah, let me. Why is this? Sorry, my screen is too small, and then I wanted to move
14,
the arrows, and then I go to
68, 2, 15, 9, 57,
volume.
27, 37, 2, 55, 86, 14, 4, 40, 36, 47, 9, 61. Yeah, I have the same values, and I have a 0.99 confidence interval, and I have a 40 null hypothesis, and the type is not equal to. I see. 0.9952.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's what I've got, 0.995.
Yeah, there you go. I was just changing because I didn't work with this yet, and then I was trying to figure out how to change to not non-equal.
Oh, right, right.
Did you figure it out, Evelyn?
Do you have to change it in the when it says equal? You just have to change it to non-equal.
There should be a drop down arrow. You click on that little drop down arrow.
Yeah, next to type of test, if you click on that cell, you'll get the arrow and you click on it and you can choose greater than, less than, or not equal to.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Make sure that the summary statistic box, make sure that all those values are 0 or that nothing is there.
Yeah, empty.
Oh, this summary statistics.
Yeah, make sure that box is empty.
Oh, okay. All right, there you go.
Okay, and then the variable 1, all of that, make sure you have the right values.
Confidence level.
Okay, the confidence level is 0.99.
Null hypothesis.
And null is 40. And then the type of test, you click on the cell and then you drop down to not equal to.
There you go. Sorry, guys, that you have to take.
No, you're fine.
Time.
So the p-value was very high.
Yeah.
That means
a lot higher than 0.01.
Yeah.
Yeah, then.
So yeah, we failed to reject the null hypothesis.
All right.
Okay. So for question 13, we just changed to less than.
and I got 0.502,
Yep. So
which
it
is
decreased.
still higher than 0.05 or 0.01.
Mm-hmm.
But it decreased.
Yeah. So still failed to reject.
Now construct a 95% confidence interval.
Okay, there you go.
So then instead of 99 up there, we just change it to 95.
Yeah.
Are we keeping it with the less than? The training rate time between.
That's a good question, huh? I think we are.
Yeah, I don't know.
If not, they will say to change it, I guess.
Well,
What is the confidence interval?
you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. So we have a new alternative. What's the lower limit of the confidence interval to 1 decimal place? I've got 23.5.
Perfect.
Yeah, 23.5. Well, 23. Do we have to do the decimal?
Yeah, one decimal place.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Six.
Do you see how he did that, Evelyn?
Yeah, I catch up. Thank you, guys.
Because you're quick. So yeah, the confidence intervals are just down there.
Yeah. The confidence interval will be 56. And this also 1 decimal, right? 56.6.
6, yeah.
Right.
Well, shall we see how we did?
Yeah, that's the
I'm
moment.
not feeling quite confident on this one.
No, are you okay?
What?
It was a joke, right?
Oh.
Like not feeling confident. Get it? Because we're talking about
Intervals.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
confidence.
sound like my son. My 16-year-old loves puns.
Oh, yeah, 100%, guys.
Yes, good job.
Well, looks like we were a pretty narrow confidence interval, right? Wait, no, we weren't.
What?
Wait, we
Our
gotta
confidence interval could have been very narrow. Mine wasn't, though. I was not confident with that, but it worked out, so that's good.
Yeah,
Cool.
the thing is, they have to fix the thing that we can't copy anything. If they say copy and they just make us waste time, like copy each one of the values.
So I did, when I opened them, I did see that they just kind of took the first chunk of numbers. And so then I was able to copy that over. So maybe that's
for one of them, but for the other one, I don't.
Yeah, I didn't check. So
okay. Well, that's good then. Well, thank you guys for your patience, and I got 5 minutes to study of this lesson because I have a big exam right now to prepare.
Well, pray for you.
It's a biology and physiology, and it's a proctor exam, so they will put a camera on you, and you have to be looking at the screen for 2 hours. You can look down or back, because if you do that, they will just think that you're cheating or something. So, and you have to memorize every term and know all the concept in your head. They don't let you use any notes or anything. So it's kind of hard.
So my exam last week was, and it's just stressful is what it is.
I know. And it's worse when you are like being watched with a camera and you can't look down. Sometimes I have to close my eyes because obviously they only let you do that. And they don't let you drink anything because you are not allowed to drink, because you might go to the bathroom, so you don't.
Yeah, because I was gonna say, what if you need to say a prayer while you have the test? Do you just do it with your eyes open?
No. They let you close your eyes. That's the only thing that they let you do.
Maybe it's good to you pray.
It's can't write too many answers in the back of your eyelids.
Yeah, that could be a challenge.
Well, good luck, Evelyn.
Well, thank you. And you have a great week. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Nice too. Oh, you know what? Real quick.
What? Yes.
Next week, I won't be able to make it to the group meeting.
Okay. Do you want to change the date?
Well, I will be traveling. I'm going up to Provo, so I'll be coming back that day. So I'm going to be in the car all day. I just won't have the opportunity to stop.
You can drive, Christina. Come on.
Yeah, just have my son hold up my laptop in the passenger seat. And
no, you can do it through your phone if you have a smartphone. You can call us through the phone.
We're just kidding, Christina.
I know, but I can't pull up these Excel spreadsheets or anything. I mean, I guess if I could pull over somewhere, but I don't know. Anyway,
don't feel stressed about, and we can just. You don't need to. You can do the same thing that I did. It's just being in the background and just listening to the whole conversation. Okay.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'll see.
So we can add you to the Hangout, and then you can have credit for it.
You know what? Yeah, invite me, of course, and then that way, if I can't be there, I will send you a message so that you're not waiting for me.
All right.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you so much, and have a great week. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.